XRP holders, I've got some great data to share with you as the market appears to have hit its bottom. We're also going to talk about the SEC. Yep, the weight of this week is on their shoulders, along with some data that Jerome Powell is going to use to determine if Christmas is going to be naughty or nice. But luckily for you, you got Santa Claus at the helm. So all you got to do is, if you're a hot lady, sit in my lap and tell me what you want for Christmas and Santa Claus will deliver. I was made fun of a lot as a kid with my name, so that's what I used to get back at people that were ripping on Santa Claus. No hot chick ever said that to me again. Happy Monday, everyone. Let's start off the week with crypto news. Can you tell I retired from being a world-renowned opera singer? Brad Gates, look, I want to bring this up, and it's the last statement here. The AI-generated Brad Garlinghouse scam video you spoke of was the very first YouTube video to pop up on my phone this Sunday morning. I had several different people yesterday say, Klaus, I got an ad. It was the scam video while they were watching this video. Well, you know what I mean, not this video, but the video from this channel. How crazy is that? So YouTube's out there saying, oh, you can't copyright. SS Sniper Wolf is basically re-uploading other people's content. YouTube is suggesting scam videos. And I got in trouble for citing a Wall Street Journal article? Come on now. Jeremy Touche stepping up to help the channel. Thank you very much, Jeremy. And by the way, Jeremy, later today, the first official gold and silver show for this channel. I won some auction goodies last night. I don't know if I'll get them in this video. It'll be in next week's one. I did a little shopping. Jeremy says, unfortunately, I have seen YouTube do some foul stuff. I've seen them shut down live streams for being honest, to while others lie to people with no issues from YouTube. Very unfortunate, but that's the day we are living in. And you know, Jeremy, it's a good point because it seems to be on what your perception is, right? What side you lean on. It seems that a lot of these media outlets like to pick a side, right? Bitcoin sitting at 36,874, under 37,000, but let's see how long this move lasts. Remember, this is what's fueling the market. It's the Bitcoin ETH 20,000, no, 2,092. XRP sitting at 65, while XLM right now sitting at 12.3. SEC decision on Bitcoin ETFs could keep this rally going. The problem, though, is the deadline. Investors are particularly focused on the SEC's upcoming decision, which could see approval from all 12 Bitcoin spot ETFs. This anticipation, though, comes from preparations for a possible U.S. government shutdown on the same day. The situation is complicated by Moody's credit rating downgrade and the public comment period for the new Bitcoin ETF filings. In response to the looming shutdown, temporary measures are being proposed and government agencies are gearing up for potential disruptions, which means Gensler can come out yet again and say, we're delaying. Let's hope not, all right? Let's hope not. I'll report on it no matter what happens. Crypto news site The Block sells 80% stake. Okay, they were tied into FTX, and remember, FTX gave their owner like a big mega mansion. Well, now The Block is like, yo, we don't want anything to do with this anymore. Let's be independent. So they're selling their 80% stake. I bring this up because it has to do with owning media outlets, right? These crypto companies out there, when they own the media outlets, when they start donating to campaigns and all that kind of stuff, they get pulled. So how much sense did it make? And it's kind of gross sense that FTX bought out a stake in a media firm that was also running coverage for them. That's shady. All right, now here's the sign that the market's buying out. We talked about the Russell 2000 about 3 weeks ago, and I said, hey, yo, look, in the stock market side of things, when the Russell 2000 starts making its move on the way back up, that's one of the most riskiest asset classes in the stock market. That's how you know we've hit our bottom. NFTs are that version here. NFTs are like now the riskiest of the riskiest, right? And they've had one of the biggest booms and bust bubble pops. So when NFTs start picking back up, I think we got to start paying attention. NFTs are seeing a resurgence, signs of a crypto bull market. According to data from market intelligence platform Into the Block, the NFT market is finally showing some increased activity after what was a long time of silence. The relevant indicator here is the trading volume, which keeps track of the total amount of these collectible assets being traded daily. In the context of their current discussion, only the NFTs on the blockchain of Ethereum are in hand. And you can see right here, look, hit the down point, and now we're picking it up. So when one of our most riskiest asset classes starts heating up, maybe we have hit our bottom. XRP bottom, look, We have seen now several times XRP hit that 65 cent mark, pop back up. Now we're below. We got to watch to see if it pops back up. The move for XRP going sub 65 is coinciding with Bitcoin's move going sub 37. So the key right now to XRP being good for the rest of the week, good CPI data, good PPI data, Gensler not canceling the ETF action because of government shutdown. We also have some UK CPI, Eurozone CPI. We also got some PPI data coming up. Lots of stuff happening this week. But the move in XRP is going to follow the move in Bitcoin. So if you want to know what happens to XRP, pay attention to BTC. This is definitely going to be an action-packed week, as next week is going to be just the opposite, a big snooze fest. Because the markets are going to be all quiet from the business shutdowns with Thanksgiving. Watch the entire global market volume just start coming down around the holidays. That's why this week is so important. That's why we're going to cram in as much as we can, as much news as we can, as much info as we can. Oh, and by the way, I don't know, not too far, I'm going to be covering CPI data live, everyone. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out, because we're going to be covering this week's juicy macroeconomic data, along with tracking to see if NFTs still are trending up, following if Bitcoin can still keep onto that 37,000 mark and help out the rest of the alts. So until more news breaks, today for me is a recovery day. As soon as I'm done editing and uploading this video, I get to go pick up my auction winnings from last night. But that's not what today's gold show is going to be about. Today's gold show is going to be about the auctions I picked up last week and your finds. Look forward to that video later today. As soon as I'm done with my errands, I will be finishing it up. So yes, today's a recovery day, but you cool cats, I'll catch you later, and have a great rest of your day.